I've been doing an awful lot of Postbag lately, but I've got a couple of projects that are stalled, and hopefully the continuation of those projects will be inside these envelopes. Anyway, let's go ahead and start with this one here, which is labeled 1 times screw. I don't recall ordering any screws. So, let's see what it is. Some resistors. Because when I think screws, I think resistors. Okay, that's a 910 ohm resistor, and these are 470 ohm resistors. Okay, these are for the Wien Bridge oscillators that I'm making. So that's a good result there. What did I do with the little bulbs? Hopefully I put them somewhere safe because they were in a tiny bag. Alright, so resistors that are apparently screws. This one is labeled resistors. I wonder if they're screws. I should have a piece of paper. Okay, well these are not resistors, nor are they screws. These are logic circuits, logic chips. We've got some CD4011s and some CD4069s. I don't recall off the top of my head which ones are which, but I'll be doing some stuff on logic in the coming weeks as soon as I figure out a way to film my oscilloscope, and as soon as I get the new LED driver, which has made the most baffling trip I've ever seen. It started in Texas, went to Saskatchewan, now it's in Ontario. So hopefully eventually it'll make its way over here. Okay, and then the last one says 1 times integrated circuit. If I'm lucky, these might be the op-amps. No, these are not the op-amps. These are more logic, CD4071s and CD4071s. So more logic for us to play with in the coming weeks. So I still don't have my battery balance boards, which I need for the flame lamp. And I still don't have the op-amps, which I need for the Wien Bridge oscillator, which I need for demonstrating some functions of the oscilloscope. And I still don't have the LED driver that I need for the lights that'll remove the interference that's making it so I can barely use my oscilloscope. So we're still waiting for some stuff for projects here. Maybe I'll be able to find a battery balance board that I can steal from a different lithium battery and thus allow the flame lantern to continue. But yeah, that's it for today. So if you haven't already, consider clicking here to subscribe. Right over here is a video that YouTube thinks you'll enjoy. Right here is the Postbag playlist, and right here is the link to Patreon that you can use to help support me getting more things to do stuff on the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye-bye.